Meet the kiwi. If you find yourself feeling like you're hitting the wall right at the opening when you're inserting a tampon, during a pelvic exam, or during intimacy, this tool can be super helpful for that. Welcome to day 9 of the Vaginismus series. We will be talking about the kiwi, so let's get to know it a little bit. This tool was created specifically for people struggling with chronic pelvic pain, vaginismus in mind. It has a broad side that can be used for trigger point release along really any muscle. I could even use it on my shoulder if I wanted to. You have this shallow tip that could be used externally or internally. The choice is yours, but this will help with that insertional pain. It can also be used for clitoral stimulation, which will help with pleasure, which we'll get into tomorrow. So it has a vibration setting. Vibration has been shown to help with increased blood flow, decreased tension. It also helps distract your mind from the pain, not in a disassociating way though. You would get in a comfortable position with the shallow tip. If you're working externally, you would work along the outside muscles along the vulva. You're not trying to dig a knot out. You would rest it and you can let the vibration do the work for you. I usually tell patients, pull up pelvic floor muscle diagram so that you know where you are if you're using this tool at home. Fortunately, this vulva actually is broken, but you could even use it along the perineum. Then if you were going to use it internally, a couple of different options. You can work on the actual insertion piece. You can also work on gently releasing some trigger points. If this were to be a clock, you could stretch it, gently stretch it along the different hour mark. I always describe it as hour marks. If you find a spot that feels a little bit tender, you can hang out there for a little bit with very gentle pressure and allow the muscles to think of butter melting. The other thing that you could also do is a gentle swooping motion. Just kind of gently swooping from side to side. So stay tuned for tomorrow where we'll go over how you can use this for pleasure, which is good for the brain.